Most people optimize their ads for speed and for volume. And listen, I get it. With all the AI tools that are around now, it kind of seems like speed is the only play. But without any clear intention, you end up just moving fast without learning anything. After building tens of thousands of ads, I've seen this pattern. And I've seen it repeat itself across multiple brands. The fact of the matter is you should be getting more out of your testing. For example, this ad is not a winner by the usual metrics. And that leads me to the main point. Not every ad needs to be a winner. I know that you want to make some money. I totally understand that. However, you have to see launching ad creative as more than just hunting for the next winning creative. In reality, some ads do exist just to scale, but then some exist just to gather information. And that's something we do quite a lot at Fraggell. To the untrained eye, it might seem like you're wasting budget, but when you look at the data properly and you gather the learnings together, it helps you make more winners in the long run. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples of brands that we've worked with where we've launched something which is completely left field to what they've done before. Sometimes it's turned into a winning ad for them, other times it hasn't, but we haven't walked away with nothing. We've walked away with valuable learnings that we can then take to make further ads. Post Andromeda, we know how important it is to diversify our creative. But how are you going to diversify your creative when all you do is launch the same ads in hope that they will replicate the success of your last winner? You simply don't. Your ad account ends up looking like everybody else's and your customers begin to ignore your creative. So let's take this example that we made for Vanish, a skincare brand. These guys were very early on when they came to us and primarily had only ever run UGC. In fact, we made a lot of UGC for them. But one thing that we really wanted to test was this all high production VSL-style creative. Something that was a little more high production and very high education. The idea was to target parents who might have a struggling teen with acne that wants some kind of fix for them. We delved really deep into that persona and we produced this ad all in-house.
71% of young people say acne has destroyed their confidence, but what's destroying their skin will shock you. Right now, your teenager is scrolling through Instagram, seeing perfect skin everywhere, while 51% of teens say social media makes their acne unbearable. They're editing photos, avoiding video calls, and hiding from the world. But here's what's worse. While desperately searching for solutions online, they're finding advice that's actually making their acne worse. You see, teenagers are using harsh treatments with benzoyl peroxide that burns their skin and routines that strip away their skin's natural protection. When these treatments inevitably fail, your child doesn't blame the product. They blame themselves, and their confidence plummets even further. This is the vicious cycle trapping millions of young people. The harder they try with harsh treatments, the worse their skin gets. But what if there was a different approach? Meet Vanish Dry Serum, the first acne treatment that heals your skin instead of attacking it. Unlike harsh chemicals that create more inflammation, our patented dry serum technology delivers powerful acne-fighting ingredients deep into the pores without any irritation. Julia's blemishes disappeared and she called it mind-blowing. And Taylor cleared painful cystic acne with 0 side effects. And Mom Azza said, it was the clearest my son's face had been since he started getting acne. When your child's acne clears the right way, everything changes. They stop hiding from mirrors, they start taking photos again, and their confidence returns. Every day your child struggles with acne, their self-esteem takes another hit. Those teenage years don't come back. Try it risk-free with our 45-day money-back guarantee and start to build your child's confidence back today.
We explain the problem clearly, we twist the knife, we really get into the nitty gritty, we put the authority of the person speaking first, and then we delay the mention of the product until fairly close to the end of the video, with the hope that we've aggregated that problem enough, we've twisted the knife, so to speak, so that when we do present the product, it's a very easy sell. And like I said, before they tried this, majority of ads were UGC, we'd done kind of VSL stuff in the past, however, even those were very high, like mashup style UGC. And once the brand had tested it, we had some data. And to be honest, it wasn't a winner. But this didn't really shock me. It was something completely new. We hadn't tried it before. And because it was so high production in a completely different persona, we didn't expect this to be a high performer. However, we gained a lot of data from it. The high education format just didn't seem to work with this product. Even though the product needs education for you to understand how it works, the best ads on the account were those that gave that information in a very friendly, organic way. And instead of targeting the parents parents, it was targeting the actual customers of the product, the people using it. And the longer sell just made people turn off, unfortunately, because the people that were seeing the ads, the target customer, ended up just not really getting into it and they bounced and watched something else. But here's the thing, if we didn't make that video, we would have always been left wondering whether that works. Because by trying to diversify your ad account and making different styles of creative, you are uncovering potential new winning angles. And that's what's so important when you're launching and writing new creative. You need to think of everything as a learning opportunity first before you think of it as a potential winning ad. The algorithm is going to tell you whether this is a winning ad or not. All you can do is learn from your winners, but also learn from your losers. Before jumping on to the next one, if you're enjoying this content, then do make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the like as well. It's really fun watching this channel grow. And also, if you want to check out some more of the ads that we make, Fraggell.com is the place to be. You can scan the QR code on the screen as well. Now, Portland Leather, a brand that we've been really loving working with here at Fraggell. And when you look at the handbag space, it is massively dominated yet again by UGC. And what does that mean for a brand like Portland Leather that's trying to do something different in the industry? Well, it means that their ads end up looking like everyone else's. Heavy UGC, heavy product benefit, and usually they blend into like the mess of social media. And so when they came to us and they said, look, we want to diversify our ad account, then that was great news because it meant that we could get experimental. We launched a couple of more high production style angles for the brand, and then we started to get a couple of winners, and they were actual winners, like top of the ad account winners, which were primarily driven by high production content. But they kept the essence of what these UGC videos have, which was making Portland Leather stand out from all the other competitors, targeting the right personas and the right demographics who would actually be interested in purchasing one of these handbags. So in this video, we really lent into that. We got a model in the studio, we mixed that with a little bit of like archive footage of the handbags being made, a couple of B-roll shots as well, but the main thing was driven by this education first VSL-style voiceover.
The bag that only gets better the more you use it. We're a brand that believes leather bags should age beautifully. And when you believe that, you choose full grain that is 6 times stronger than that genuine leather. We're rejecting the ordinary. We preserve every natural mark and texture from the cow's original hide. While others sand off character, make hundreds of identical products, and rebuild with chemicals, our authentic leather comes alive, developing that sought-after patina that can't be faked. Every Portland leather bag is built to last with quality shaped by classic design and versatile function. It adapts effortlessly to your 9 to 5, your evenings, and everything in between. It makes each day a little more beautiful, a little more confident, and it just becomes a part of your story. Now we have over 300,000 5-star reviews, and what's more interesting is how many people come back to build collections of our bags, because not only do we use real quality leather, but we also have prices that make sense.
It wasn't a UGC video from a fake customer. Instead, it was voiced as the brand. We make handbags to do this. We do this. It makes it feel more authentic. And even though it's not coming from the founder, it still feels like some kind of authority figure is telling you why they're the best. And we learned this because we saw early on that this style of video works, particularly within the older demographic. And then we lent even harder on it in the next months with a video that was like fully almost high production. And this is what I mean. Even though this wasn't based on like a direct winner top of the ad account, we ended up taking the essence of that and bringing it into another ad that then became even more of a winner. And the exact same thing here for Leaf Shave. I might have shown this ad in previous videos, but this is a fantastic example of a high production VSL which leans on things that we've learned in the ad account in the past.
Traditional razors hide behind marketing. The Leaf Thorn exposes the truth. One blade, perfect precision. No plastic waste, no false promises. The Thorn is crafted from solid metal, expertly balanced in your hand, designed for detail work that matters. Where other razors irritate, the Thorn delivers control, precise edges, clean lines, zero irritation. Say goodbye to expensive cartridge subscriptions, plastic waste piling in landfills, razor bumps from multi-blade overkill. The Thorn uses standard recyclable blades, costing pennies, not dollars, saving hundreds over time. I can finally shape my beard exactly how I want. Perfect for detailed work around edges, the control is incredible. Sustainable, economical, precise. The Leaf Thorn. Exceptional shaving without compromise. Join thousands who've made the switch.
So many people are obsessed with making UGC videos. We just need more UGC videos, more creators, reach out to more people, seed more product. When actually they need to take a step back, they need to see what they've learned from their previous ads and then roll that out to completely new ideas, new production styles, new concepts, new personas. Get experimental. The amount of brands that I speak to that have been doing the same thing for years and then they're complaining that their performance is down. Why do you think your performance is down? It's because you're not doing anything different from all your competitors. And the thing is, the more ads that you make, the easier this is going to become. And particularly when you start to lean on AI tools, then you can very quickly gather really great learnings from every single ad you launch. There's so many great tools out there. There's like Motion, they have some AI tools. We've got the new one from Manus, which is like integrated with Meta. Even Claude, all of these can help you build a great picture of what your data is telling you for the creative that you run. So it's not now about being an expert, it's just about leveraging the tools which will give you the best results. And I'm not saying here you need to go and hire a massive production crew and you need to test high production. These ads would probably still work with less high production elements inside it, but with a great script that was crafted for the persona that you're targeting. And listen, if you take one thing away from this video, it should be that all your tests need to be intentional, not just pumping ad after ad after ad to hit a volume goal. It's only going to lead to quick wins. You're going to feel great for a bit, but then as soon as that wears off and those winners start to fail, you're going to be left in the same position you were before. And at Fraggell, we make so many of these ads every single month. And if you want to be a brand that we do them for, then please do think about applying. We work with brands that are spending over $70,000 on their paid media. You can scan the QR code on the screen, or you can click the link down below to apply to work with us. Hopefully you learned something from this video. Make sure that you hit subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my free newsletter as well while you're down there. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.